Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change default browser on PC. The first thing I'll do is head on to the start menu, click on the start icon over here on the left, extreme left. So click on this, then you click on the gear icon which will put up your settings. Click on the gear icon like this. And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click on apps. This is the apps, so you click on apps option and then you're gonna see some options here. You can see the options here, all those options. So you're gonna look at them now. The next thing you're gonna click on is default apps. So the next thing you look here, you're looking for the web browser. So this is the web browser. Right now it's on Microsoft Edge. So we click on it to change it. We want to change it to another one. So when we click on it, we have options Google Chrome, we have Internet Explorer, and we have Microsoft Edge, and then we can also search here in the Microsoft Store. So let's say I want to use let's say Microsoft Edge. So I leave it there. It's as simple as that. That is how to change default browser on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more of this and other helpful tips which we put up every day on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.